Jai Srimannarayana. Let everything be here for Bharata to enjoy. Oh my dear father, let me get those Naravastras, the cloths. Let me wear those cloths, and then let me also get some instruments by which I can dig the floor and do something in the forest, because I have to be living in forest for 14 long years. I need some of those instruments, tools for me to make a few arrangements for me to live in the forest. Please make those arrangements for me. When Ramachandra Swami started saying like this, immediately without any hesitation, Kaikamma, while everybody is looking at her, Kaikamma brought those Naravastras and gave it to Rama and asked him to, come on Rama, wear it. Then Rama started wearing those Naravastras, the one who always used to wear beautiful silk garments. Now he is wearing Naravastras. Then immediately Lakshmana also took Naravastras and wore those Naravastras. Dasaratha Maharaju is looking at both of them and moving to tears. Tears are rolling down. Then while everybody is looking at, Kaikamma brought Narachira, the saree also for Sitamma. The moment Sitamma got those cloths, she didn't know how to wear that. She just put all that cloth upon her, and Janaki Subhalakshana, such a beautiful girl, Sitamma, Asru Sampurna Netracha, because she doesn't know how to wear those cloths. There are lakhs of people looking at her. She was not feeling good, and she took those cloths and immediately went towards Rama and saying that, oh Rama, I don't know how to wear these cloths. Kadham nu chiram badhnanti. Please help me how to do this. Then immediately Rama started chiram babandha sitayah. While so many people are looking, Ramachandra Swami helping Sitamma, Ramachandra Swami tying that saree upon the silk saree, and while he is doing that, while Rama is tying saree to Sitamma, all the mothers, all the girls, everybody started crying loudly. Antah puragata Naryo Mumuchuhu Vari Netrajam. Suddenly, all of a sudden, all the ladies and mothers, everybody started crying and asking, oh Rama, it is not mandatory for Sitamma to be in the forest. Nobody told to Sitamma, please leave Sita here. We all will take care of Sita very well. We all will enjoy yourself in Sita until you come back. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.com. and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.